This many? This much?
Hey, you think you got enough?
This much?
Yep.
Where?
What are you gonna fix?
Up here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Whoa.
You fixing the wall?
Yes.
You making a basement with Daddy?
Now watch. See? See, Daddy?
I see.
I scraped it up.
You did a great job. That's pretty good, bud.
Up here. Down here.
Mm-hmm. What happened?
My paint fell down the floor. And this one?
You finishing the drywall, buddy?
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, it's from that, Daddy. It's from that.
Okay, go put the tool back in the bucket.
How come I put it back in?
We're gonna go wash them up now.
Oh,
We're gonna go wash our tools.
oh,
You did a good job.
okay. Okay.
Put it in there.
Can you help me do it?
Let me see. Go ahead, let me see. Okay. Okay, just stick it in there.
What?
Just throw it in there.
In here?
Mm-hmm.
Not like that. Not like that.
Why not?
Go wiping on your pants.
Is that what you do when you get all dirty, wipe it on Daddy's pants?
Yeah, and this.
No, don't wipe that on my pants.
Yeah, but so dirty.
We're gonna take it outside and spray with the hose.
Okay, let's
Okay.
do it.
Just set it down with the other ones for now. Alright.
What?
We fixed it up good, right, bud?
You want to get this off. Oh, there's shape.